guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. In this episode, I am gonna make roast corned beef and Reuben sandwich. Let's get started. I'm roasting corned beef. So for that, I'm gonna need nice chunk of the beef, corned beef, already spiced with the pickle spices. Then I'm gonna add one onion, big chunks. I have carrots over here, then about 3, 4, or 5 cloves of garlic, bay leaf, and I'm gonna cover these with water. I have a hot water over here. There. Gonna cover with the lid, and I'm gonna bake this in 375 degrees for 3.5 hours. I forgot to season, so I'm gonna season a little bit. Roast corned beef, 3.5 hours. Ooh, look at this meat, moist. Oh, look how it's falling apart. I love that. Can't wait to show you what I'm gonna do next. So I waited till the meat rest about for a couple hours or next day, and I sliced thinly, and we're gonna make a Reuben sandwich. For that sandwich, you're gonna need any type of the cheese, sauerkraut, bread. I'm using white bread, and mustard. I'm using spicy mustard. And look at this beautiful corned beef. So first of all, I'm gonna spread spicy mustard on both sides of the bread. I'm using the spicy mustard because we love spicy on the spicy side. You don't have to. You can use mustard of your choice. So spread it evenly, just like that. Then I'm gonna add about 4 pieces of the cheese. I'm using this, I believe it's a Swiss cheese. So you can use any cheese of your choice. I'm using 4 pieces. Then we're gonna use sauerkraut on one side, and the other side I'm gonna use, or the same side, I'm gonna use corned beef, and you can put as many as you like, just like that. Now I'm gonna cover this sandwich, and I'm gonna grill the sandwich on both sides until the cheese melted, and it's gonna be so yummy. So into a pan, I just add plenty of butter and of course my sandwiches. So I'm gonna grill on both sides until it's golden crispy. So flip the sandwiches on the other side, and when I flip on the other side, I would like to add more butter if you need it. Looks like I need more butter, so I'm gonna grill on the other side. And when I grill on the other side, I lower the heat all the way on a medium high, low heat, that's what I would say, and cover with the lid until the cheese all melts, just like that. Look at it. That's what I'm looking for. Looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat this. Oh la la, looks so delicious. And I love to serve the Reuben sandwiches with a pickle. So that's how Reuben sandwich made. Let me take a taste test. Wow. Wow. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.